Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a rule on Microsoft Outlook on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school, or business. We also need access to the desktop application. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Outlook, make sure you are signed into the account, and now let's go to the navigation menu, click on Rules, let's go to Edit Rules. Now we need to create a brand new rule that when an email is sent from myself to this account, it will always be moved into a new folder. Let's just demonstrate and put into purpose. So the main email that I use when I send an email from that email to the admin inbox, it will always be moved to the Computer Science Videos folder. Let's click on OK. Yes, let's save the changes. That's okay. Now from the mobile phone, I will send an email from my main email to the admin inbox. Take a couple of seconds to compile. It will be a very basic email. Let's send this to the admin. The email subject hello, and now the email has been sent, as you can see on screen, within the Computer Science Videos folder. It was directly sent to this folder, and that's how you create a rule to tell Microsoft Outlook every time an email comes from my account to the admin inbox, directly send this to the folder. Why would one want to do this? Well, to categorize, save time, be more professional. So let's now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.